Wait till you see our new listing. Fully remodeled, 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms with a den in an amenity-rich community, super close to downtown Fort Myers, and with access to a community boat ramp, giving you Gulf access just a few minutes away, and all for under $300,000. Welcome to Moody River Estates. So this is a carriage home unit. It is the upstairs, and wanted to point out that it does come with a single car garage, which is amazing, and a private entryway. So check it out. Let's come on in. So first thing you're going to notice is the neutral and fully updated, amazing light wood luxury vinyl plank stairs. And as you come up, you've got a sight line through to the backyard and the water view. And right off to the side is the den. Everything is beautifully coordinated in here. We've got all new lighting, all new flooring, paint throughout. Can't wait to show you the rest of this unit. And right across from the den, you've got your laundry utility room with the addition of a custom closet, really maximizing the space in here. This facility got new roofs recently. It is ready for you just to move right in. All right. Nice size open kitchen, opened up to the great room. White cabinets, really cool countertops, new appliances. You'll see pretty much everything is new in here. There's crown molding throughout. Lots of updates and no projects for you to do unless you have personal design choices you want to make. All right, let's head into bedroom number 2. Same tones are carried throughout the home. Very neutral flooring, nice neutral walls with the blue accent. And I do want to point out that from the second bedroom, you do have pocket slider into this remodeled bathroom. Beautiful tile work, tiled all the way up to the ceiling. New vanity. Moody River Estates is a great community located in North Fort Myers, super close to downtown Fort Myers in the River District, which is going through revitalization. There are tons of restaurants. So because this unit is on a second floor, you get taller ceilings, which is amazing. And then there is hurricane shutters on all of the windows, so you can kind of see them out there on the lanai. This is located right in the back gate of the community, which is incredible. So easy access. Also really close to the carriage home pool, which you have access to as an owner here. And then you also have access to the main Moody River Estates amenities, which again, as I mentioned, are really nice. So great resort style pool, a hot tub, tennis courts, a gym, children's playground. All right, let's check out the primary ensuite. Everything is new and chic and coordinated. Again, pumped out the shower, brought the tile work all the way to the ceiling. I've done custom closets on all the closets. Get your water, your toilet there, and your primary closet. One of my favorite things about this condo is the custom epoxy countertops. that coordinate with the design. And the other is being able to see all the way out over the water view, which again is just across the street from the community access boat ramp. You can drop your boat right in and head out to the Gulf of Mexico. All right, just want to share the garage real quick. So it does come with the single car garage with the custom epoxy flooring. They've got lots of storage out here currently, and you do have electric and a couple steps up into the entryway and then the stairs up. Can you believe you can get all of this? It's listed at just $289,500. If you or someone you know might be interested in pursuing an opportunity on this condo, give me a call at 239-776-6872. If you're considering a move to the Southwest Florida area and you'd be interested, reach out and ask for our relocation guide. Would love to send it to you. Just send us an email at info@gillettegroup.com. You can always find us on social media, and we want to know, what questions do you have about moving to or living in Southwest Florida so we can help you live joy too.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.